What's up, loves, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is going to be my July try-on style Boxycharm unboxing video. If you guys aren't aware of Boxycharm, it's basically a $21 a month monthly subscription, and you are guaranteed 5 full-size items. So if you guys are new here, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate the support, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. This is the look I created today using the items in my Boxycharm. So we're going to dive right into the box, and the first thing we're going to use is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More eye depuffing gel. It's supposed to warm a tiny amount, and hopefully that is tiny enough. It retails for $42. It's a full-size product formulated with biometric technology, peptides, and botanical extracts. You are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. We'll see how this works over time. I'm just going to take some of my primer from Smashbox to prime my face. Apply my foundation, which is from It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, which contains SPF 50. Next up from Boxycharm, Chella Tantelizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This is pretty unique because it has an angled brush on one end, cream formula on this little end. It's supposed to be an innovative eyebrow cream, effortlessly defines and shapes your brows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you the perfect brows that will last all day and night. So this retails for $26, and this is a full-size product. A little bit of getting used to the product, just because I'm used to brushes that are a little bit more denser. Feel that this product sets quickly. You definitely want to work with the product fast. So this is the Crown eyeshadow palette, Fuego eyeshadow collection. Work this color right into the crease area as our transition shade. Made up of rich, warm tone shades, creamy, highly pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades. This retails for $29.99. Next, we're gonna go in with a bit of a deeper shade. This kind of really pretty, kind of burnt orangey color. And we're gonna swirl the brush like right into the socket. You want to flick it up and out a little bit. Take a bit of this darker kind of purpley, almost like an eggplant color, with the same brush. Kind of define that crease area. I'm going to take a denser brush, go into this kind of burgundy, put this like right onto the outer corners of the eye. I just want to cut the crease just a little bit. I'm going to take a very small flat brush, just a tiny bit of concealer. Take some of this pretty kind of almost like a pinky shade, pack that right onto the lid space. I'm gonna go back to this more defined brush, more of this maroon shade, tap off the excess, and then fade that right into this lid color because we don't want it to be super harsh. Let me know if you guys have an eye that's a little bit easier to work with. I always feel like this side is a little bit more difficult and this side is easier. This peachy color, pop that right into the corner. So, next up in my box, the brand Wander Beauty. It's the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And this retails for $24. Lengthen, it gave my lashes volume. And I almost forgot to go back and hit the bottom lash line with some shadow. Go in with this really pretty purple. Drag this like right along the bottom lash line. I'm going to apply the blush, which is also from my Boxycharm this month. Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Even has a small little brush at the bottom. Paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. So here's the completed look using all of the items from my July Boxycharm. Overall, let me kind of go over everything with you guys. Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage, the under eye depuffing gel. Definitely have to try this out a bit more to see how it works out. I mean, as for now, it's okay, but my eyes do get really puffy in the morning, so it'll be interesting to see how this performs at that time. But overall, I really appreciate that it didn't make my under eye concealer crease. Chella Tantalizing Taupe eyebrow cream. Like the way how my brows look. They're not like super harsh. They look a little bit softer. I always use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Switched off using the Makeup Revolution and also the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow. So I use a couple different ones. I will say I like the way how this looks. You do have to work with this pretty quickly because it sets fast. I like how it's all in just like one little container, so it's very easy just to kind of throw in your bag, which most likely I will do. Crown eyeshadow palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is such a gorgeous palette, definitely right up my alley. I like the pigmentation, I like the way how everything blended out. Overall, I think for the price point as well, you know, I'm really glad that this was in the box. Note Desert Rose Blush, which is super pigmented, I will say that. Definitely a little goes a long way, so you want to be very light-handed with this product, but overall I think it is a gorgeous blush. It's a really pretty kind of a light sunset burnt orange color that I think is perfect, especially right now. I think it complements the eyeshadow palette perfectly. Last but not the least, for the mascara, the Wonder Beauty Unlashed mascara. I like the formula because it was more of a drier formula. It definitely lengthened. It also gave my lashes some volume. It didn't flake and it didn't also clump, which I really appreciate in a mascara. I'm really happy with the items in my Boxycharm this month. If you guys receive Boxycharm, let me know how these products worked out for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. Let me know if you guys also like the style of this video. I thought I would just do something a little bit different in terms of a try-on style where I'm actually talking to you guys and not doing a voiceover. So let me know your thoughts on that. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.